Hello everybody, welcome back to the Bubble Daddy Soap YouTube channel. My name is Trevor and today I'm doing a remake of my Viva La Juicy soap that still doesn't have a name. I made some last week and I was trying out a new color pattern or I was going to do a hanger swirl with it and it didn't come out right. The part of it set up a little too fast. I didn't get it poured quick enough. So today I'm trying something a little different. So what I've done is I've added some white mica to my oils and gone ahead and blended them in. And what this is going to kind of do, my oils naturally are very yellow, and this will give me a little bit more of a blank canvas to work with, a little bit more, it'll make it a little lighter. My oils and my lye are within 10 degrees of each other, so I'm going to go ahead and add them together and get them to a light trace. Thin trace. I'm going to go ahead and pour this down the neck of the stick blender. It helps to avoid some bubbles. Just like that. Stir it in a bit. And then I'm going to blend. Okay, so I've got this to a thin trace. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of it off. Now that I've got that poured off, I'm going to add some of this lemon drop mica mixed in oil into this remaining soap batter. Go on, you can do it. Come on out of there. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this in. So I've got that good and mixed in. Excuse the sniffles, it's the weather keeps changing again and again. And now I'm going to add my fragrance oil. I've got some Viva La Juicy type from Nature's Garden Candle. And I'm just going to add about half of it. About half. Kind of go back and forth. There we go. And then I'm going to stir these in again. And then what I'm going to do with this is something called an in the pot swirl. So I'm actually going to take this pink and I'm going to dump it back into my batter, my yellow, and then I'm just going to pour it into the molds and let it go. Let it do what it's going to do. Okay, good and mixed in there. So it's time to do this. Now this is going to be a pretty thick in the pot swirl because I have because I've split the batch almost in half. So it's going to be a pretty thick one. That's okay. It does come out looking really pretty. The colors are really pretty, really vibrant colors. So now I'm going to take this and I'm just going to give it a swirl like that. And it's good to go. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put the mold on the scale. Okay, and then I'm just going to pour. break. Tamp it down. Yeah, that one's about full, so I'm going to set that aside. Just like that. Go ahead and pour the rest of it. Just right in there, just like that. And then we're going to scrape out the rest. Just like that. So now I'm going to spray it down with some rubbing alcohol. And that's it. So I'll be back in a couple of days to give this a cut. See you soon. Okay, so it's been a few days. Actually, it's been about 4 days. And it's time to go ahead and give this one a cut. Let's see. I'm actually going to turn it around because I dinged the bottom of it on its way out of the mold. So, let's see how this comes out, shall we? Oh, that's pretty. I was worried it was going to come out looking a little like bacon, but it didn't, so we're good. A little sliver off the end that'll get cut up for samples, or I'll keep it, or something, I don't know. And now for the second bar. So if you like that video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like it multiple times a week. And if you want to get notifications when I post, please hit the bell icon down below, or if you have something to say, go ahead and leave me a comment. I love to hear from everybody. So that's me, that's Trevor from the Bubble Daddy Soap YouTube channel. If you want to check us out, we'll be at bubbledaddysoapcompany.com. And these soaps should be available on March 1st. Yes, March 1st. These will go up March 1st, so I will see you then. Thanks. Bye-bye.